Design Contest 2012. My name is Shanti Swarup. I am from JCRC Jaipur. Our main project is automatic window closing system.
I am Ravi Kumar Khanewal. Our mentor is Professor Rima Agrawal ma'am. Basically, our circuit is consists of four sections. Here we are using the TI products. Here we are using LM324, which is OpenIC comparator, and we are another TI product is L293D, which is the motor driving IC, and we are using MSP Launchpad, having the microcontroller MSP 430G2452. Our section is basically our circuit consists of four sections. First is power supply section. Power supply section is when it takes 9 voltage and it feeds the entire circuit to 5 voltage. Second is sensor circuit. Sensor circuit consists of DC motor and mounted on fan. Then this and RAN. There is also RAN sensor, which is have a 2 terminal connected to microcontroller power supply and port. Second section is the microcontroller unit, which is used for interfacing input, where it takes the input of the sensor and sends the output to motor driving circuit. And third section is motor driving circuit. Motor driving circuit is sends the output to motor, and which is mounted on window. It takes the output from motor driving circuit, and microcontroller works accordingly, and it's shut down. Now working of the circuit is explained Shanti Swarup.
Basically, our main objective is to close the window automatically when heavy rain or wind comes through. For the automation, we have used this window along with a 100 RPM motor. Now, this LED is used for detecting heavy wind, and this is detected by us. Now, I am providing a blow to the fan, and this LED glows. Now I am again providing blow in continuous manner to closing the window. Like, as we can see that the window is closing automatically without any mechanical contact. This is our main objective, and in the second part of the circuit we are using a rain sensing device, for which we are using a simple 2 wires, and we are providing a contact. Initially the position of the window is like this, and now I am providing the connection with the help of water, which is also salted for increased conductivity. Now, as we can see that the window is closing automatically upon providing the connection. Now, here we are also using a third contact sensor, and initially when this condition is applied, there is no working of motor, as we can see that. Now this is the whole circuitry, and we have explained it according to the programming installed in the MSP logic. And now the main innovations regarding to our project is it is very cost effective, in the sense that its cost is about $10 only, and it reduces complexity, and it is compact and easy to implement. Now further future enhancement, we can enhance our project in opening and closing of doors also. We can also provide some gas sensing devices in our project, and also we can use temperature sensor device in our project. When the environmental temperature goes beyond a limit, we can close the window accordingly. Now, this is all our project. Thank you very much.